Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this elegant red prom dress in Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit. And first of all, to create this look, you can choose this hairstyle and make it back. Remove all the flowers and make it this color. And combine it with this one, make it the same color. And this bang, make it the same color. And this earring, make it white. And this heels, make it red. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to go to the dressing room and go to the coats item and choose this dress. You're going to remove the chains and then you're going to make it red for all the selection. Okay, for the next selection as well. And then we're going to make it glitter like this. Alright, and then I'm going to combine the dress with the skirt. You can choose to go 5 and then you're going to apply the same red color for all the selection guys, for the first selection until the 5th selection. Alright, and then I'm going to put on this top and choose to go 3. You're going to apply the same red color. Okay, and then I'm going to select this skirt from the Withered Rose set. Choose only skirt and you're going to make it this red color. Oops, this one I mean. Okay, make it this color for all the selection. And you're going to make it glitter for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay, now it's done and then this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!